Well, thank you for joining me on this question. We're going to be looking for the length of AB correct to one decimal place. Now, the length of AB is, let's just put, because it's got round your answer to one decimal place, let's just put a little box there and tick it when we've answered to one decimal place. Now it says here the area is 275, so the area is 275 square meters. So that's the area, and we want the length AB, which is little c. So AB from A to B is little c because it's opposite angle at C. And so let's use the area formula. So area of a triangle is half, and BC sine A. I'll use BC sine A because I've got angle A is 78 degrees, and the two angles that 78 degrees is included is B and C. B is 20 meters and C we don't know, but we do know the answer. So the answer is 275 is equal to half. B is 20. C is whatever C is. And sine of A is 78 degrees. So we can take the numbers, take the 2. We can take that divide 2 up to become times 2. And we can take that 20 and the 78 across to be divided. So it's divide 20 sine of 78. So if it was multiplied on the right, it's divided on the left. If like the 2 is divided on the right, it's multiplied on the left. And we've got C. So let's put that in our calculator, and we go 2 times 275, divide that by 20, and also divide by, what you could do, just to be careful, if you go 2 times 275 and hit divided and open the bracket, because we will group 20 times sine of 78 inside its own bracket. That way the calculator knows we're dividing both of that. And we will get, therefore, C is approximately 28.1143. And we're talking meters. And so we want one decimal place. So C is approximately 28.1 meter. And that's what, it's not so much C. So I won't say C. I'll say length AB. Length, because they wanted the length of AB, and that's to one decimal place. So I hope this has helped. Or we can tick that box because we did answer it to one decimal place. So I hope this has helped. Until next time, stay happy.